universe was expanding was derived from the concept of the explosion of the universe. According to astronomer Victor Slipher, he found out that most of the galaxies were moving away from Earth, and just a few of them were approaching towards Earth. This movement can be observed by measuring the distance by looking at its light spectrum. This is similar to the Doppler's effect, which is about the properties of sound. For example, if the sound source is near to the listener, they would hear a high pitch, while it would be lower when the source of sound is far away from them. In spectrum, the further lights look red and the nearer lights look blue. Victor Slipher detected that major galaxies had red shifted, while minor ones had blue shifted. Also, when it is calculated, the rate of velocity of moving galaxies, the further galaxies are moving away with the faster velocity, and the nearer galaxies are moving slower. This was discovered by American astronomer Edwin Hubble in 1920s. According to the Big Bang article, the second evidence that supports the Big Bang theory is the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is also called CMB. This is the remnant from when the universe was roughly 500,000 years younger than it is now. By unknown reasons, the materials were constrained in high temperature. This was the reason why the particles were not spreading out before cooling down to a certain degree, when the atoms could form a nucleus and finally photons become free to move. The CMB is the first light which is of obvious evidence of Big Bang. According to the article, also the presence of plenty of light elements is one of the evidence which is almost equal to the anticipation. This is an exclusive theory that actually can explain the observation that we can see present. By Faber states that Einstein's general relativity is suitable theory to make a Big Bang theory more reliable. This is because it is a force that acts at a distance, and also it connects both space and materials together, which involves energy. So the scientists realized that the universe is no longer static. According to Faber, inflation is another theory that also advocates the Big Bang theory before Big Bang theory. Before the inflation theory was released, the Big Bang theory could not explain why the density was constant even though the space was increasing. However, according to the inflation theory, there is a substance that fills the interval of the universe as it expands. Therefore, the Big Bang theory could say that the density is still same as before. Also, as experts discovered, the universe is fairly uniform. This can be explained by inflation theory. Thank you.